Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga has vowed to bring order and accountability to Zimbabwe's military industry, declaring that the days of unchecked mineral exploitation, corruption, and raw exports are numbered. Narabida mashoko panapa Chiwenga achideclare war on corruption in mining sector. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina now zero mubdanyo kwa mchinzi. Speaking during a tour of the newly established Gwanda lithium mine in the Madiholmola area on Friday, Dr. Chiwenga said, the government will no longer tolerate lawlessness in the mining sector, which he said must start benefiting ordinary Zimbabweans. In quotes, the era of exporting our minerals in raw form is over, declared the Vice President. From January 2026, every mineral, including lithium, must be processed right here in Zimbabwe. We must extract, process, beneficiate, and manufacture locally so that our people enjoy the full value of their resources, he said. The government was determined to ensure transparency in mining operations and clamp down on those who exploit the system for personal gain. Our mining industry must operate with honesty and integrity, he said. We cannot allow a few individuals to enrich themselves while communities live in poverty. Dr. Chiwenga stressed that mining investments must empower local communities through job creation and infrastructure development. Investment must be mutually beneficial, he said. The investor brings in technology and capital. The community provides the resources, and the government ensures fairness for all. That is how Zimbabwe will rise. He also called on mining companies to take corporate social responsibility seriously. We want to see clinics, schools, and proper roads being built by these companies, he said. The heavy trucks you see passing here were never meant for these roads. The companies must fix what they use. Dr. Chiwenga further underscored the importance of Zimbabwe's long-standing ties with China, describing the partnership as one that has stood the test of time. The coming in of Gwanda lithium is not by accident, he said. It's part of our continued friendship with China, which supported us during the liberation struggle. Now we are working together to develop our economies. Domashwa nobuda pangwa ine Chiwenga achipa warnings kune vanhu vari kumaina nemacompanies avo pangwa ine vachirongwa kunzi the just mining vachiendesa zvicherwa zvedu kune dzimwe nyika zvinoprocessiwa, nyika yedu yeZimbabwe isingabenefit. Achiti by January 2026 we're going to put an end to that. Nakume section medu za mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.